Moin YouTube, dear knife friends. This is going to be a knife talk about small urban EDC knives from Victorinox. This knife here in front of you was my EDC knife for almost 10 years. It is the Victorinox money clip, a very small and light EDC knife. It has got a very small blade on it. Overall length of this blade might be 5.5 centimeters or so. Let's check it. So yes, it is 5.5 centimeters and the edge is about 5.6 or 5.6 centimeters. I have no idea what it is in inch, but I'm going to put it in the video here below. So this was the blade, and the second tool is a small nail tool here, and with this tip you could screw small Phillips screws as well. And the important tool for me was this pair of scissors here. So this little knife serves me well for over 10 years. But nowadays I've got so many knives to choose from. This knife does not get many pocket time anymore. The second knife I want to show you is coming in these brown leather sheaths, and maybe you can guess what it is already. It is a Cadet, a Victorinox Alox, and it's from the 5 color series, and I like this blue very much. I couldn't decide what I should pick up, the orange one or this blue one. The orange one wasn't available, so I have to pick this blue one, but I thought it was a very good decision as well. The Cadet is a very small and light knife as well, a little bit bigger than the money clip. The main blade is about 6.7 centimeters and the cutting edge has a length of 5.5 centimeters. And we've got a nail tool as well, very similar to a money clip. And we've got our can opener with a small flathead screwdriver, and the bottle opener with a slightly bigger flathead screwdriver, and the wire stripper here. It has got a 90-degree stop. So this one could have been my EDC knife in an urban environment or an office environment. But I've got other small Alox knives from Victorinox as well. This is a 2-layer knife here, and it weighs 45 grams. That's about 1.5 ounces, I think. And the other knife I mentioned is this little bantam here from Victorinox, and it has got only 1 layer here. The main blade is similar to the Cadet, and the second tool on the Bantam is this combi tool here. It is a can opener and a bottle opener. It has got a small screwdriver that's perfect for small flathead screws, but also small Phillips screws. If you use this edge here, you can screw Phillips screws as well. And it has got the wire stripper as well, and the 90 degrees stop. This combo tool is one of my favorite tools from Victorinox because it suits so well. I've opened many cans with this tool here with no problem, and it makes for a very, very light and small EDC knife. The Bantam weighs 28 or 29 grams. This is under 1 ounce, so you couldn't feel it in your pocket, it's so light. But it was a pity for me that Victorinox did the Bantam only in silver Alox. No other colors are available. But a few days ago I got this little sucker here from a Danish website. It's a special series only made for this Danish website. I put the name in the video description box. And this is a very similar blue. So you see the Cadet and the Bantam, it's nearly identical. Only the shield is different here. This is a normal red and silver shield, and here on the 5 color series of the Cadet we have got the silver and blue shield. So that's the best of both worlds. We have got the very light weight of the Bantam and the gorgeous color of the Cadet. So could that be the perfect EDC for me, the perfect light EDC for an office environment? I don't know. In my opinion, I would like to have a knife, an Alox knife from Victorinox, which has got the small blade here, the combo tool, and on a second layer a pair of scissors like this small one here on the money clip, and a small nail tool. That would be my perfect small and light EDC for an urban environment. So what's your opinion? Please give me your comments and name your perfect small EDC knife for urban environments down in the comments. That would be very nice, and it would be a pleasure for me if you would be with me again when it is said on YouTube, dear knife friends again. Until then, tschüss!